Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato and this is by Matchbox from the moving part series. Okay, this one actually came to India. I missed that one because I bought this a lot earlier, before it came to Chennai. When it came to Chennai, I was not in Chennai to purchase that, so I missed it. But this one I bought actually for more than MRP, but MRP is 399 and revised reduced MRP is 374 if you guys are wondering. So please don't buy this for more than MRP. Again, this is a gift from my wife. We didn't knew at that time this is going to come to India, but I really wanted one Sterrato in by Matchbox, because I originally wanted to keep this inside my car. So so we bought this at that time. But again, you do have a Indian version of it. I mean, this is also an Indian version, but you can still able to get this. So in case if you guys are getting one more, please let me know. I need one more of this. Okay, so with that said, let's open this. Okay, the box the box is actually heavier than the car itself, to be very honest, guys. Okay, here is the card art. Let me zoom in a little bit. So the card art looks really nice. I know they are trying to showcase the actual opening part here. I really wish the card art could have been front to back like they normally do. But anyways, let me put this aside. Okay, here is the casting itself. Let's put some light. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. Okay, so it does look really beautiful. It does have headlight detailing to it, as you can see here. These are painted. I mean, I don't see even any depth here. It is just a plain like incline there, and they just painted on top of it. This is supposed to be the fog lamp here. They did paint on top of it, but the Lamborghini logo doesn't even look like a bull at all. I mean, doesn't even look like a logo at all. It feels like a triangle and a dot. I don't know why they mess up all these things every time. Okay, it has a rear view, sorry, tail light detail also. This is supposed to be Lamborghini. I don't know if you can able to spell that. I am not able to spell Lamborghini from this, but anyways, it does have exhaust details to it, and so let's see if it has a chassis detailing. Not that much. So I don't think the actual car actually has some kind of chassis detailing, because the this kind of cars usually has one big like plate kind of thing which runs through from the front to rear. Okay, with that said, so the body is fully metal. So I need to see if this piece is, this feels like metal, but let's see. Yeah, this is metal. So the body is fully metal. Chassis is fully plastic, including this piece here, the front splitter here. This is also plastic. So it doesn't have any grill details here. That I think that's supposed to be air intake, but okay. But I am really happy it does have good interior detailing to it. That is actually true to this particular car, so I'm happy with that. And the paint job looks really good. So I think I just spoke a little bit soon, because it does have a little bit of paint dry. I mean, I don't know, mispaint here, I would say. But let's open this, because okay, this one is not actually exactly staying like this. It just falls like this, but once you pull this up, it actually stays. Man, I'm really sad they actually didn't give any detailing here. I mean, I know it has this metal block detailing and all, but they could have added some kind of paint job here just to showcase this the Lamborghini logo or something like that. At least the firing order, something. It is just piece of metal at this point. I mean, but okay, it does look really good. I'm not going to deny that, but not the best, to be very honest. So let me see. Yeah, that is also metal. That is actually molded along with the body of the car. And yeah, the cover is also metal only. Yeah, this is also metal piece. Okay, so overall the car looks really nice. I mean, it does have hyper detailing to it. It doesn't have any rear view mirror, but it has hyper detail here. That does look really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting. So here it is, 34 grams, not bad, but it does look really good. And I personally like the casting. So okay, let's do a roll test now. It does roll really good. I was not expecting that. See, the reason I like Matchbox over Hot Wheels, even though they are from same brand, so Matchbox was supposed to represent the actual car. I mean, how it actually looks in the real life instead of exaggerating, the rear wheel or, like more flashy paint job. That is more of Hot Wheels thing. So Matchbox from day one, from back in the days, is supposed to represent the actual car. So I think this one represents the car really well. I really like this. So let's rate this casting now. Again, I am giving a 10 out of 10 because I don't see any issue with it, because it does have all the detailing to it. It has the opening parts as they climb, and it does have a little bit of, I mean, it does have detail to it, but I know they didn't paint it. But anyways, fine. But overall, the casting is a really beautiful one. And so if you got this, I'm really happy for you guys. So we did unbox Sterrato in other brands. We did unbox from Sparky with, the tire on the roof. And we did unbox the mini GT version that is of a different color. We did unbox the Hot Wheels variant. I think the white color, if I'm not wrong. I do have white, and there is one more, I think the green color, I guess, or yellow color, if I'm not wrong. These two. There is one blue variant which came in the 5 pack. I don't have that, but that looks really nice. But this one is really beautiful one. So I'm really hoping other brands do this casting, like, CCA and Burago and all. So because this is a beautiful off-roader. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.